Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. This is actually a package I picked up from Kick Square. So this is the first time I picked up an item from them. So let's crack this open. But before I start, as you can see, it is, as far as the packaging, I know this is probably more of the postal service issue. It was actually kind of caved in here, so it actually kind of ripped, I guess, the labeling, but it looks like the tape is still intact, so hopefully everything is okay inside. Let's crack this open right here. Let's see how it is. Again, this is the first time I've done business with Kick Square. So, okay, again, that is the name right there, Kick Square. And here it is. As you can see, it is a Jordan 4 box right here. Box is okay. A little damage right there, but no big thing, I guess. We got the Jumpman with the flight underneath right there. Then you got a size 10 Air Jordan 4 Retro, colorways black, game royal, matte silver, and suggested retail is $190. I actually picked this up from Nike before, but when I saw that he had this on sale, I actually had to jump on it and I should return the one I grabbed from Nike. So here it is. As you can see, these are the alternate Motorsports. You've probably seen my last video if you are subscribed to me when I picked it up from Nike. But let me just do a quick look at these shoes just to see. Everything looks fine. Jumpman right there. So again, these are the ones I picked up from Kick Square. You've probably seen a lot of videos on these alternate Motorsports already. Got the Jumpman hang tag right there. And again, the leather quality on these Motorsports are nice. So, but here it is. Again, just quick unboxing of the shoes I picked up from Kick Square right there. If you guys have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube. Peace.